Because of the process we have gone into, modernizing agriculture, building information into it, bringing technology into the agricultural space, making the right subsidies in production, not in consumption. Last year, let me give you the statistics for last year. Our maize production has gone up by 50%. From 44 million bags last year, we harvested 64 million bags. This year, we are targeting 75 million bags. The people who used to carry superias in the streets, led by Mbadi here, yeah, have left the streets because the price of Unga has come from 240, is now 160, 140, 120. Tea. In 2022, we sold our tea exports and sales were 138 billion.